students, welcome to our class Biological Science. So up to now we discussed about the coordination. Okay, now different types of nerves that plays an important role. Brain, spinal cord, hormones. Hormones also is there. We know that ductless glands. That means endocrine glands. Okay, so insulin is there. Insulin hormone. What is its function? Adrenal hormone, testosterone, thyroid, ovaries, all the functions we have already discussed. Now I am going to explain the coordination in the plants. Okay, now. So the response in the plants. Does the plant also have the same type of coordination like the animals? Does the plant also have a nervous system and endocrine system like the animals? No, there is no such type of endocrine system and nervous system in the plants. But the plants also respond to the various stimuli by various methods. Plant also contains some type of hormones in them. Those are called phytohormones. Okay. Plants also respond to the stimuli in their way by containing the hormones. Okay, now they can sense the presence of stimuli. By various methods. Okay, I am going to explain about it. So, have you ever seen that a plant, Attupatti plant? It's also known as touch-me-not plant. Scientifically, Mimosa pudica. Or touch-me-not. So, have you ever seen the touch-me-not plant? What happens when we touch the leaves? So, in the case of touch-me-not plants, what will happen? Have you ever seen that the leaves are curling? What is the reason behind it? I will explain about it. Okay, here if you see that the Mimosa pudica plant have pad-like swellings at the base. Here, this one. So, the Mimosa pudica plant cells the Mimosa pudica leaf cells have pad-like swellings at the base. These are called palmae. What is that? Palmae. The Mimosa pudica plant leaf cells have pad-like swellings at the base called palmae. This palmae contains a lot of water with large intercellular spaces. The palmae contains a lot of water with large intercellular spaces. Okay, so due to the water pressure, palmae holds the leaf erect. All the leaves are erect. That means if you see that when the hair on the skin becomes goosebumps, erect, steady, like that. So palmae leaf cells have the lot of water with intercellular spaces. So the palmae holds the leaf erect. Okay, the touch-me-not plant shows nastic movements by touch. Which type of movements? Nastic movements. So this is called thigmotropism. Okay, now touch-me-not plant shows nastic movements by touch. This is called thigmotropism. Okay, when we touch the leaves, an electrical impulse is released. Okay, now when we touch the leaves of Mimosa pudica, an electrical impulse is released. This generating electrical impulse release the hormone, plant hormone. This causes the water that present in the palmae cells, which are close to the leaf vein, migrate to the other parts of the leaf, and the leaf becomes folding, leaf lost its firmness and becomes folded. Okay, now, so what happens when we touch the Mimosa pudica plant leaves? an electrical impulse is released. Thus, impulse acts on plant hormone, which causes the water that present in the pulp lining is migrated to the other sides of the cell. So this causes pulp lining lost its firmness. The leaves become folded. After 20 to 30 minutes later, the again water will come into the pulp lining and the leaves erect or becomes erect. Do you understand? Okay, this is about the thigmonastic movement and the thigmotropism, nastic movement shown by the Mimosa pudica plant. I will explain once again it. The Mimosa pudica plant leaf cells have pad-like swellings at the base. Mimosa pudica plant leaves have pad-like swellings at the base. These are called pulvini. Pulvini contains lot of water with large intercellular spaces. So, due to the water pressure, the leaf becomes erect. So, this leaf shows the nastic movements by touch. When we touch the leaves, when we touch the leaf, an electrical impulse is released. It triggers the plant hormone and the water in the pulvini is migrated to the leaf vein of the other sides of the cells, and this causes loss the firmness of the pulvini. The leaf becomes folded. After 20 to 30 minutes, again the water is come back to the pulvini and this causes erect of leaf. Okay. So, plants also really respond to the stimuli like the animals, but the way of respond to the stimuli is not similar in the plants and animals, because animals, as a higher developed animals, higher developed animals, they have endocrine system, nervous system, brain, spinal cord, different types of hormones. But the plants, they do not have any type of nervous system or endocrine system. So, in the plants also, a type of hormones are present which are responsible for the sense the presence of stimuli in their surroundings. Okay, which can sense the presence of change in the surroundings. Those are phytohormones. Okay, now, so these are also known as plant growth hormones. Phytohormones are plant growth hormones. These hormones can sense the change like, they can sense the changes like light, heat, water, pressure, sunlight, I already told you that, pressure, chemicals, like this. Okay, now, light, heat, water, pressure, chemicals, okay, now, and ground, that means to the soil, to the land. It can show different types of responses. I will explain some of the important hormones that present in the plants. There are 5 hormones that present in the plants: auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins, abscisic acid, and ethylene. I will explain about it one by one. Auxin. Auxin, it is useful for cell elongation. And the differentiation of root and shoot. Okay, now, when the seed grows when the plant come out from the seed, the roots and seeds are, so that means the shoot and root is separated. So they are differentiated by these auxins. Plant growth hormone is auxin. Auxin is the first hormone that discovered by the scientists. First plant hormone. I will explain about it later. So cell elongation, differentiation of roots and shoot, and cytoplasm. Cytokinin. Cytokinin, it explains the provision of, that means cell elongation. It encourages the cell elongation. Cell division, and opening of stomata. I am explaining a few points about it, dear students. You can follow your textbooks. Auxins, cytokines, encourage, that means provide the cell elongation, cell division, and opening of stomata, and gibberellins. Gibberellin, the third one, it encourages the germination of seed, elongation of stem, elongation of stem. Okay, and fourth one is abscisic acid. It's also known as ABA. Abscisic acid, it is useful for closing of stomata. Okay, na? So that means break down the dormancy in the seeds. Break down dormancy. Okay, and last one is ethylene. Useful for ripening of foods. Okay, so these are the different types of main 5 hormones that are present in the plant: auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins, abscisic acid, ethylene. Okay, so cell elongation, differentiation of root and shoot, cell division, opening of stomata, elongation of stem, closing of stomata, and dormancy, the breakdowning of seeds, and ripening of fruits. So these are some of the important, these are the important 5 hormones that present in the plants. Okay, so dear students, up to now we discussed that all this one. I am going to explain another important thing, that is take a glass jar with soil, and take a glass jar with soil and sow a seed aside of the glass jar. Sow a seed aside of the glass jar, on the side of the glass, just beside the wall of the bell jar. So you can notice that the growth of the roots and shoot. Okay, na? Take a glass jar with soil and sow the seed just beside the wall of the glass jar. So you can notice the growth of root and seeds. After 2 to 3 hours, bean seed this one. After 2 to 3 hours, 3 weeks, after 2 to 3 weeks, you can notice that one, the roots and the shoots are growing. Now, tilt the plant like this. Okay, tilt the plant like this, and the plant is going towards the light side. Okay, now tilt the plant like this horizontally, and observe that the plant is going towards the light side, to the above side. Okay, so here what has happened to the plant? The plant part which is exposed to sunlight, this causes bending of the plant. Okay, now the sunlight where it's illuminated means light strike area. So the plant part where the light is illuminated, and that part more auxins are developed. On the other side, opposite side, less amount of auxin hormones are developed. So the increasing level of hormone that causes bending, in the part. So this is phototropism. The plant show the response to the phototropism. The plant show the response to the light. It is called phototropism. Okay, the students, I will explain about it. Different types of responses that shown by the plant in the next class. Okay, thank you.